Guys, welcome back to another video. Nathan Does Vids here, and today in this video, and for the next few days, we are backpacking up near Flagstaff, Arizona. It is beautiful here. I'm actually going to the lookout where we saw the sunset last night. Probably put that in the video. But yeah, we're gonna hike down a few miles, down into the canyon, and we'll be all good.
Oh, we need to go back on trail.
I'm totally acting like it's not there.
Is this what is it?
Probably
Elk?
elk.
Yeah.
Thigh bone.
Foot?
Yeah, that's a foot, definitely. You can see the hoofs. Might be a deer.
It could be a deer.
Tiny.
Oh, it still moves. I'll bring it with me. It's my lucky foot.
Lucky foot.
So we just got to the campsite, starting to set up my tent. It is actually a one-person tent, so I can only fit in it along with my stuff. But now, let's go roast some marshmallows.
They run water, constantly running new water in and letting, eventually all the water's on the backwater.
Pushing fresh water and washing all that
And
garbage.
then I don't know, it said it was 300 feet size, like, I thought that was the ridiculous.
This is the setup. My head's gonna go up there with my pack as my pillow. Got the pink sleeping bag with on in case any bears come. We're set. Okay, guys, so we're gonna go to sleep now. Oh, in my little one-man tent. Got the gun here just in case a bear comes. Not loaded yet. Got my knife in my pocket, everything, just in case anything comes. No, nothing's gonna come. Got my little bag and my pink sleeping bag. Luckily it's handy, but I'm gonna call it a night. Okay, we just woke up. It was like, woke up at 6:45. It's been like a few hours. But we're gonna go on a hike. And then maybe find some animals or something to shoot. I'm gonna head back up to base camp up there, camp there, and then head home. It's been a great trip though. That was a bear. See, this is when I need the pan on the back of my pack.
Yeah.
Holy.
Big one.
Oh, well.
Oh, thanks for ruining it. I took a picture. That'll be your thumbnail. Ran into a bear on the trail.
Backpacking. Can probably find them still.
Probably not. Sure you did.
I can jump out and hurt you. Like snakes.
Rattlesnake. Big one.
Kill it.
22.
You can. I don't want to miss it.
Probably missed 10 shots. You got the extra mags?
Yeah.
Head coming up in the rock.
Tail.
No, the head's coming up.
Oh, is it? Make
Where?
a U-turn.
It's up higher up, past the green. His head.
Oh, there it is.
That's a big boy.
Dinner.
Must have winged him.
Who knew a rattlesnake could be up here?
All over up here.
Did you get him?
I don't know. He's not rattling much.
You want my knife?
Hold still.
Island back.
That's a good shot. Yeah. He's done. His fang is hooked on the branch.
It is. Well, once we get the head off, I can skin him.
I brought my skinning knife.
You did?
Yep.
Good job.
4 feet maybe.
How many shots to the head did you give it?
I don't know. I think I hit on the second to last shot.
Where is he?
But he wasn't. That's a cool looking rattlesnake. He looks really dead, but
They can still bite when they're...
yeah, he's missing half of his head. Good sign.
Oh, that's perfect right there.
Look at him still moving.
It's a pretty good sized rattle. That's not a western, no.
No.
Oh, you just tore him up.
Yeah, I hit him twice.
Decapitated.
Fatality. What'd you say about
3
feet?
3.5.
No meat on that bad boy.
Can I see it?
Here you go. That's dinner too.
It is.
I mean, hors d'oeuvres.
Wow.
Bag him up. Do you bring a
So.
game bag?
I got a Ziploc. in my
Pretty
butt
weird,
box.
huh?
My guys.
Crazy, huh?
It has... My goodness.
You ever touched a rattlesnake before?
No. I've seen rattlesnakes. One time we were
That's like
backpacking.
surprisingly soft,
I
though.
almost walked.
Finding a good path
Our
to it.
meat tree should have some shit.
That's
I've never
awesome.
actually touched a rattlesnake before.
They're like actually kind of soft.
Yeah, they
Yeah.
are.
Smooth.
They're strong. They're still strong, though.
Oh man, I had one in my pack after killing it. Like
Very
3
neat,
hours later, I
though.
took it out. And it's still wriggling around.
Really? Like crazy.
Dead.
They are zombies, so.
No dead, no skin, no gut.
That's like a yellow looking.
Yeah, no skin.
When I get service, I gotta look up what kind of.
I like the shirt you got for the.
Oh, that's awesome. I didn't even realize I had that on there.
Jeez. Lift your hat up a little. Close your eyes. There you go.
His head's still moving.
He
His
is.
imaginary head.
I'd start at the neck,
I'll start the neck down.
and then I'd use this unzipper that I just got, and just try and center it down the middle of the big scales, so you don't damage the diamonds.
Right. So just straight down,
Yep.
end up like right
Yeah,
there.
end up where his guts stop about there, and it's all muscle.
There she goes. She's stiff.
Once you get it started, try that other one underneath.
Yeah.
Oh, there she is.
Try the zipper.
Zipper now?
Kind of grab the back of the snake and hold it.
Oh,
You can do it.
Yeah. Let's stretch him out.
Yeah, stretch them out. That's
There you
easy.
go. Stretch it.
There you go.
That's satisfying. Whatever.
yeah.
Works pretty good once you get it started.
Yeah.
Centered.
Is that right about or a little farther?
That's fine. All right. What's the next step?
So now you pull it out all in a string if he stops coiling. Is that
It
right?
won't for hours.
Not just like ripping tape off of a...
Hold it, kind of grab it and hold it. Just grab that at the bottom and hold it straight so it doesn't coil up on it. Just grab it and hold it.
Don't drop the meat in the dirt.
Yeah.
You don't want to hold it?
I'll hold it, I just don't know.
Cool.
He doesn't like his skin being ripped off.
No, I wouldn't either.
How rude.
Looks like he ate something.
Yeah, I want to see what's in his belly.
Belly.
Ugh.
Almost done.
Yeah, we gotta keep the skin. How do we get this last part off?
That's the tricky. Look at that smell too. You smell that?
It smells amazing. What are you talking about?
It's like a
I don't smell it.
musk.
Yeah, he musks on me.
Like an Elon Musk.
Hi, Elon.
Okay, so got him.
Got him? Yeah. Oh,
I
shit.
found another one.
That's not what you're supposed to do.
Yeah, I realize that.
No, stop moving.
This is the satisfying part. It's more than my wingspan. Okie dokie, guys. Just got back from the hike. Got the snake. The rattle's in there somewhere. Yeah, it's right on top there. Gonna cook that up. Head back up to the place up there. Base camp and cue the time lapse. So guys, this has been a great trip. As you can see, I'm taking down the tent. Obviously sped up super fast because, you know, I'm kind of, you know, special when it comes to taking down tents. I didn't know how to fold it at this point, but then I figured it out, stuffed it in the bag, and then, yeah, then we start heading back up. So guys, we just made it back up to base camp up here. About, I don't know, roughly a mile and a half, 2 miles uphill with a backpack on. I didn't have my GoPro. I either packed it or I left it down there. Really hope I packed it. Anyways, we saw a black bear. I couldn't get a shot of that because I was just too stunned. It was a black bear, so I had to stay back, make some noise so it goes away, scare it away. So yeah, we're up here for another night. We're gonna go over to the overlook again right now, call it the phone booth, and yeah, just relax. Okay guys, so we are on our way back down to the trail. Another 2 miles down the trail, 2 miles up, but then we have to go. So the reason we're going down there is to find my GoPro. It must have fallen off or something after the snake on a tree or something. So got the gun with me in case any more rattlesnakes come. We can shoot them, or bears to scare them away. But yeah, I'm pretty bummed out that I somehow lost it. I didn't really hear it fall off my head. I think by the end of this, it's gonna be 9 times up and down we've gone. So yeah, my legs are dead. I'm not gonna be able to get out of bed tomorrow, but it's all good. You know, we can never give up.
Hey guys, another Nathan Does Vids. I'm up here at the trailhead. Well, just the trail. We've been looking all over for this GoPro. I don't know where it went. Anyways, came up here with a couple of kids. I don't know where they are. I think I lost them. I might just head back to camp. Just sitting here waiting for kids. I've been waiting like 3 minutes, and I am tired of waiting for these guys. They are so slow. I think I might just head back up to camp. It's over that way. They are super slow. I mean, they got shorter legs, but I mean, still, That's no excuse. I don't know what's taking them so long. They probably stopped to take another break. That's all they seem to do. Maybe I'll take off my pack and go look for them. Yeah, maybe not. Looks like a lot of work. I'll just sit here and wait. Luckily the sun's gone behind the cloud, so it hasn't been too hard of a hike. Second hike of the day. For some reason, someone decided to lose their GoPro as far away from our base camp as possible. So we came looking for it. Luckily, Mike dropped breadcrumbs on his GPS app, and we were able to retrace our steps exactly, which is really nice. I hope someone finds it. Yeah. Anyways, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell, do whatever you like with this video. I hear some noise over there. Might be an elk. I think I see something in the woods over there. A couple of guys hiking. I wonder if they seen the kids that I came up here with. It took you guys so long. Oh, someone's happy. Why are you so happy? You just hiked like 8 miles for no reason. These.
Found the jacket.
Thank you.
Find it?
On the trail.
On the trail, just sitting there?
Just sitting on a branch.
Okay guys, so as you probably saw with my uncle, shout out to you. Thank you so much for picking up my GoPro, finding it. Yes, we found the GoPro. There's all the footage, you have seen it. Now, heading over to that, we call it the phone booth. We get the most, like I showed you guys earlier, we get the most reception here. Gonna get this sunset before it dips down behind the mountain. I think it already did. Amazing sunset, guys. Got the clouds and everything. Doesn't get more better than this. Look at that. That's just amazing. This is absolutely beautiful, guys. Yeah. Okay, guys, we are heading back down to Phoenix. It's been a great trip. Lost the GoPro, found it. Found a bear, found a snake. On our way out. Peace.
So like, share, subscribe, do what you like with this video. Ring the bell.